to Dek Rean tonight. Well, I gotta go to the market, so bye guys.
Is it medicine right បាទសូមគោរពជម្រាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំសូមធ្វើជាវីដេអូមួយជាការលើកទឹកចិត្តដល់សវណ្ណហង្សដែលជាកូនសិស្សដ៏គួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់របស់ខ្ញុំជាក្មេង active បាទគាត់ active គាត់សកម្មហើយរាល់មេរៀនដែលគាត់រៀនគឺគាត់ធ្វើរាល់ថ្ងៃហើយគាត់ជាក្មេងស្រីដែលចូលចិត្តនិយាយភាសាអង់គ្លេសបាទចូលចិត្តនិយាយហើយខ្ញុំពិតជាចូលចិត្តគាត់បាទគាត់ active គាត់ជារឿងចូលចិត្តនិយាយអង់គ្លេសvớiខ្ញុំច្រើននៅពេលដែលគាត់ឆាតមកឬក៏គាត់ធ្វើលំហាត់អីហើយគាត់និយាយអង់គ្លេសមកបាទអូខេក៏ប៉ុន្តែឮដំណឹងមកថាគាត់បាន affect ជាមួយនឹងជំងឺ COVID-19 ហើយខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ថាអ្វីៗនឹងប្រសើរឡើងសម្រាប់គាត់វិញហើយគាត់គឺជាក្មេងស្រីដែល active សកម្មជាក្មេងស្រីល្អហើយនឹងអ្វីៗនឹងប្រសើរឡើងនឹងមិនអីទេខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ 100% ថាសវណ្ណហង្សនឹងបានប្រសើរឡើងវិញហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើជាវីដេអូនិយាយជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសផ្ញើទៅគាត់ហើយនឹងទេទៅគាត់លើកទឹកចិត្តកម្លាំងចិត្តដល់គាត់ប៉ុន្តែប្រហែលជានិយាយមិនបានយូរទេបាទចង់ដឹងថាគាត់នៅកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺគាត់យ៉ាងម៉េចយ៉ាងម៉ាអញ្ចឹងចង់ឃើញកន្លែងគាត់ហើយចង់លើកទឹកចិត្តគាត់ផ្ទាល់ហើយខ្ញុំពិតជាសោកស្ដាយជាពន់ពេកដែលគាត់ប៉ះពាល់ជំងឺមួយនេះគឺយើងពិបាកថាណានឹងមិនដឹងថាណាអ្នកប៉ះពាល់ឬក៏វាពិបាកនិយាយមែនទែនបាទហើយក៏ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ថាក្មេងស្រីល្អក្មេងស្រីគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ម្នាក់នេះនឹងបានជាសប្ថាស្បាយលឿនបាទសូមលើកទឹកចិត្តនិងសូមគោរពជម្រាបសួរដល់អាណាព្យាបាលរបស់សវណ្ណហង្សសង្ឃឹមថាសវណ្ណហង្សនឹងបានប្រសើរនឹងឆាប់បានត្រឡប់ទៅនៅផ្ទះដូចដងហើយសប្មួយដងហើយនឹងរៀនដូចធម្មតាហើយខ្ញុំនឹងលើកទឹកចិត្តជូនគាត់ឲ្យរាល់មេរៀនដែលគាត់នឹងរៀនជាមួយខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គឺនឹង free ជូនគាត់រហូតបាទបានន័យថាខ្ញុំបើកវគ្គភាសាអង់គ្លេសណាឲ្យតែគាត់ចង់ចូលរៀនគឺគាត់ចូលរៀន free បានគ្រប់វគ្គទាំងអស់សម្រាប់ខ្ញុំបើកជាមេរៀនវាមានតាំងវគ្គ grammar វគ្គស្អីមកច្រើនហើយគឺសូមផ្ដល់ជាអាហារូបករណ៍ជូនគាត់ទោះបីជាឲ្យគាត់រៀន free ជាមួយខ្ញុំគ្រប់ពេលទាំងអស់បាទឲ្យតែគាត់ចង់រៀនអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់គាត់ខ្លាំងគឺគាត់ជាក្មេងស្រីសកម្មនិយាយទៅគាត់សកម្មមែនទែនហើយសកម្ម active បាទ active ហើយសង្ឃឹមថាគាត់នឹងបានប្រសើរឡើងឆាប់នឹងត្រឡប់មកវិញរៀនជាមួយគ្នាហើយនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបងប្អូនចាំយើងទៅមើលខ្ញុំទេទៅគាត់ហើយនឹងធ្វើជា short video clip លើកទឹកចិត្តគាត់ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសដោយសារតែគាត់ចូលចិត្តស្ដាប់ចូលចិត្តនិយាយគ្នាជាអង់គ្លេសអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំក៏ធ្វើជា short video clip ដើម្បីនិយាយទៅកាន់សវណ្ណហង្សហើយនឹងសង្ឃឹមថាគាត់បានប្រសើរឡើងវិញបងប្អូនអាចជូនពរ comment ជូនពរគាត់ទាំងអស់គ្នាណាបងប្អូនជួយ comment ជូនពរដល់ក្មេងស្រីដែលគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ម្នាក់នេះទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះបាទសូមអរគុណច្រើនយើងទៅជួបគ្នាជាមួយគាត់ទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ Where are you All right and yeah you look strong girl you are a strong girl and where is your mom okay is it medicine right what are you drinking Yeah, I know. You are strong. You are a strong girl. And you are my strong princess. You see? You're still beautiful, you know? You are a pretty and beautiful princess, okay? You are strong. I know. You can do it. Stay strong and active.
Maybe a little more.
Hi, my beautiful princess. First of all, I'm so sad to hear you got affected with COVID-19. Okay, but anyway, I strongly believe that you are okay. Everything will be okay. You are young, you are strong, you are active, you are powerful. You are my beautiful princess. And this is a short video, a special video for you to say hello from Battambang, and everything will be okay. All of our classmates say hello to you and wish you the best of luck. Just stay safe. Everyone support you, and please stay safe and do according to the instruction of our doctors. I strongly believe that you are okay. Everything will be okay, okay? And this short video is for you, and we are waiting for you to come back in our class. You know, right now just stay safe, relax, and do things as what you wish to do. Funny, active. I know you are a strong girl. You are a powerful girl. I know. You are strong. You are okay. And I just want to say, for me, everything will be free for you with our class. Whatever class you want to join, free for you. Everything is free for you. Come back to our class. I'm waiting for you. Wish you the best of luck. Stay safe, my beautiful princess. That's all. Good luck. Bye-bye.
So, do you like my view? So, yeah. And if you want to speak English, you need to practice and practice and practice. So you can speak English very, very well. So believe me, I'm not gonna just lie. Wow, that's so cute. The view is so... Ow. I just stepped on something. So I'll just make the view. Gonna change the camera. Oh, okay. I'll go there. Sorry, Pop. And I'm 10 years old now. Really, really 10. And this view is so cool that my house is on a mountain, so I don't have light or something. So yes. So do you like the view? Hi, Dada. Gonna show you brown here, like now, everyone. So yes. And that street, yeah, that one until there. My mom loves to go to do good deeds, so she always go there, and then she go to do like what để tha what យើងធ្វើបុណ្យអីហ៎ yeah, she loves to do good deeds, and I'm gonna show you around here, and it's fun. So I'm gonna change the camera. Yeah. Well, I am walking, so I'm just holding the camera, so yeah. Don't mind me if it's really glitchy. Yeah. The view is so beautiful. I never see this every entire life. Like my life, like left, right, left, right. There's my... gonna show you there. My mom will go to the market later, so she's gonna go to that street, that and that. So yes, but this, she never go here. Well, I don't know, maybe she doesn't need to go there. So yes, I'll show you the another round. I'm gonna show you that street now. I'm gonna run. Ugh. It's really glitchy. Okay, I'm holding it. Mommy, I'm gonna show I'm gonna show teacher Dek Rean and everyone. So I'll go there. Yeah. Okay, guys, the street. Whew. Yeah, the trees is so beautiful. So I remember that there's a monkey on that, but now I don't know where the monkey is. This I don't know who is the owner. So gotta go on. Gotta go on. What? Could you tell me what is the blue thingy? Never go there. It's dangerous. Yeah, there. We have 2 streets now. There, and then they have 2 streets too. So if you want to go there to do good deeds, you go there. If you want to go to the market, you go there too. So you have, I'll show you there, the street. Well, the view is so, it's really hot. So there's the view. So hope you like this. Yeah, I'm gonna go to my house now. So I'll end it maybe later. I'll get it on. It's not really big at all, but it's worth it. I'm living with my mom, so my dad is at Simri Probin. Oh, I gotta go to the market, so bye guys!